Hi, and welcome to Voice with Julia, day 31 of our Marchesi Vocal Challenge. Today, we're going to be doing ascending octaves on exercise number 44. So get ready because we're going to go fast.
Voice with Julia, change your voice, change your life.
Now, what I like about this exercise is you can really add some sprightly spirit into it. So be excited by the rhythm in this exercise and don't hold back in terms of getting each pitch perfect. More get the trajectory of the line. I mean, if you're still struggling with the basic scales, then go back and get each pitch perfect. But right now at this point in the studies, it's really feeling that flow of the breath and how that takes you across the scale without having to manipulate each individual pitch. So let's dive right in. And just as a note, if you need to breathe, you're going to take a breath after the first note of the phrase that you need to breathe in, the first note of the measure, okay? You don't breathe after the last note of the measure, but the first note of the measure. I think that's to connect the intervals, like the descending and ascending intervals, making sure that they're really clean. Okay, so that's just food for thought as you're going through this. And one other thing I want to add about this is as you're going from the top octave to the bottom and back again, I really suggest that you slightly suspend the breath before re-attacking the note. So don't try to portamento from that top note down if you can help it. Da 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 da. So you're not breathing, but you're just suspending the air to get that clean interval so that there's no of the registers. Okay. That one is very tricky. Again, this lower passaggio, I don't know, it's killing me right now. Again, I'm recording this like a week after tongue tie surgery, so we're still managing things, but Marchesi's gonna get us back in shape. So give that a try, and remember, think about detaching before you attack the next octave jump, that you're not sliding down, and that should help you.